It's not on safety, is it?
No.
Is there any higher ones? Dang.
Yeah, there's a higher one right next to you. Problem is this was used in the trenches in World War I.
Ready?
Yep.
Recording?
Recording now.
Did I hit it?
I don't think so. Gotta pull it down. Or it's in, just gotta. There. Stiff bolt. I see a target on the paper. You're high, but you're on the paper.
Smoking that weed.
You're above. Still got another round?
Should. Was that low or high?
That was high.
Wow, I went low on that one.
Stun shoots high at this distance anyway. You're so close, it's going to shoot high.
Alright, you out of ammo?
Clear.